Hey guys, so I'm done with my hair and this is how it is. I had to cover it so I could take my bath. You can see my hair is now neat, no longer dry, all moist and looking good, honey. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to apply my coil activator and slay my edges, and I'm good to go. Track 5. I don't have to apply much. I'm not combing it. I love it this way, simple and unique. So you guys, those are the products I use for my hair, just to wash my hair. You can see the way my coils are. Looking all goody and yeah, on point. So those are the products. So you can work with what you have. Just work with any good shampoo. If you have a good shampoo, it doesn't have to be one I use. This is not the first time I'm using this particular product. I went in with this Sensitive by Nature leave-in conditioner. Okay, it's almost finished. The Herbal Blend leave-in conditioner for your hair. This green leaf shampoo, you can see it's so nice. Like, you guys know green leaf products. they're quite nice. I also went in with Koi shampoo from the Hollywood Koi, just little on my hair, and you guys saw how it foamed. And then I went in with Shea butter. This is purely organic for the tangling. It's a hair lotion for your hair. It gives your hair the food it needs. You can see I'm not combing this hair, honey. I'm not combing it. Then I also went in with Koi Keeper. It made my koi define. Applying the Jack 5, it actually made it pop. You can see the kois are just looking yummy and good. That's basically it. So you can work with what you have, try as much as possible, work with what you have. Go to a supermarket or go to a shop where they just sell hair products and check products out, ask questions. I'm just going to put the names of this product. I'm going to put it down in my description, so if you are interested in getting any of them, it's your choice. Okay, so guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.